So next is the Bayes theorem. Another immediate consequence of the definition of conditional probability is the Bayes theorem. So another immediate consequences of the definition of conditional probability is the Bayes theorem. P of alpha given beta is equal to P of beta given alpha into P of alpha upon P of beta. This is the formula for Bayes theorem. So example, consider the student population and let smart students and grade A is students who got grade A. Assume P of grade A given that smart is 0.6. Now we learn that a particular student received grade A. Can we estimate that the student is smarter? According to the Bayes rule, this depends on the prior probability. So prior probability is given as P of smart is 0.3 and P of grade A is 0.2. So we have to find P of smart given grade A. So we know the formula is P of grade A given smart into P of smarter upon P of grade A. So we will substitute this. P of grade A given smart is 0.6 into P of smart is 0.3 upon P of grade A is 0.2. So this is 0.3 times, this is 0.9. So that is grade A strongly suggests that the student is smarter because you got the probability as 0.9, which is very close to 1, and 1 is your maximum probability. Let's see the next example. A bag 1 contains 4 white and 6 black balls, while another bag 2 contains 4 white and 3 black balls. One brown ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and is found to be black. Find the probability that it was drawn from bag 1. So let's say E1 is the event of choosing bag 1, E2 is the event of choosing the bag 2. So P of E1 equal to P of E2 will be equal to 1 by 2 because there are how many bags? 2 bags. So for bag 1 it will be 1 by 2, for bag 2 also it will be 1 by 2. So total how many outcomes are possible? 2 outcomes, out of which bag 1 you can pick once, bag 2 you can pick once. So 1 by 2. P of A given event 1. So A given event 1 means the ball is black given that E1 has occurred, is 6 by 10 because there are 6 black balls in bag 1, which is 3 by 5. Probability of the ball being black given that event E2 is occurred, that means the ball is chosen from the bag 2, is, so in the bag 2 you have 3 black balls, so 3 by total number of balls, 3 plus 4, that is 7. Now by using the Bayes theorem, you need to find the probability that it is drawn from bag 1. So probability that the ball is drawn from bag 1 and the ball is black is nothing but probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 upon probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2. So when you substitute these values, probability of E1 is 1 by 2, probability of A given E1 is 3 by 5 upon probability of E1 1 by 2, A given E1 is 3 by 5 plus probability of E2 is also 1 by 2, probability of A given E2 is 3 by 7, you get answer as 7 by 14. Next is a man is known to speak the truth 2 out of 3 times. So truth is 2 out of 3 times. So false will be 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. So he speaks the truth for 2 by 3 times, false for 1 by 3 times. He throws a die and reports that the number obtained is a 4. Find the probability that the number obtained is actually a 4. So first is, let A be the event that the man reports that the number obtained is 4. Let E1 be the event that 4 is obtained and E2 be the complementary event. So E1 is the event where the 4 is obtained. So 4 can be obtained once out of 6 outcomes, possible outcomes. Probability of E2, 5 outcomes will be such that 4 has not occurred out of the total 6 outcomes. Probability of the A given E1, that means man is speaking the truth and a 4 has occurred, that is 2 by 3. And probability of A given E2 is the man is speaking the false, it is not a 4, is 1 by 3. You need to find the probability that the number obtained is actually a 4. So probability that the number is a 4 is equal to P of E1 into P of A given E1 upon probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2, which will be equal to what? Probability of E1 is 1 by 6 into probability of A given E1, 2 by 3 upon probability of E1 1 by 6 into 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6 into 1 by 3, that is how much? 2 by 7.